Sakubona, ngiyakwamukela kusifundo sesishiyagalombili. So there is this song we used to sing as kids, and it goes like this. Umfazi kaGundwane ubelethile asambeni madoda siyokwenza mhlophe. Then we would freeze. Okay. So it's the kind of game that would play like this. Then we would be in a circle, going. Umfazi kaGundwane ubelethile asambeni madoda siyokwenza mhlophe. So as usual, I want to see if you got something from that short song. So let's go through it line by line and see. First, umfazi kaGundwane. What does that mean? Or maybe first of all, what is 𝐴𝐿𝐿𝐿? 𝐴𝐿𝐿𝐿 is a rat, right? So umfazi kaGundwane, the rat's wife. Okay. So we're saying the rat's wife ubelethile. What does that mean? Umfazi kaGundwane ubelethile. The rat's wife gave birth. Okay, ubelethile means she gave birth. Then we go on and say asambeni madoda. What does that mean? Means let's go, guys. Okay, asambeni madoda. Let's go, guys. And then siyokwenza mhlophe. What do you think we're saying there? We're saying, let's go, guys. Let's go and give congratulations. So amhlophe means congratulations. Okay? Asambeni siyokwenza amhlophe. Let's go and give congratulations. That's what the song is saying, okay? So the rat's wife gave birth. Let's go, guys. Let's go and give congratulations. All right. So in this lesson, I'm going to teach you the verb beletha, which means give birth. And for now, we're just going to get into this short conversation around the birth of a child. Okay. So this is a conversation between two people talking about someone else who's given birth. All right. So I need you to listen carefully, and then we'll dissect this conversation together. Right. So the first person is like, uzwile ukuthi uNontando ubelethile. The other one is like, yebo, bengingakezwa. Ubelethe nini? ngoMgqibelo. Ah, kuhle lokho. Ubelethe umntwana oyini? Oyinkazana. Asengamhlophe, sure. So that's the short conversation. All right. So let's go through it and see what it really means. Okay? So first, uzwile ukuthi uNontando ubelethile. What do you think was saying right there? Uzwile, did you hear? Okay? So uzwile ukuthi uNontando ubelethile? Did you hear that Nontando gave birth? And then the answer was, yebo, bengingakezwa. Ubelethe nini? What is this one saying? Like, really? I hadn't heard. So when did she give birth? Ubelethe nini? When did she give birth? And the other one responds, ngoMgqibelo. So when did Nontando give birth? On Saturday, right? Great. Then the other one goes on to say, kuhle lokho. And what else? Ubelethe umntwana oyini. So kuhle lokho? That is nice. Or that is great. That is good. Okay? How about ubelethe umntwana oyini? What do you think that means? It means what is the gender of the child? What is the sex of the child? Okay? And the answer was oyinkazana. So Nontando's baby is a girl, inkazana. All right. Asengamhlophe sibili. What is she saying? It's like, wow, congratulations are in order. Okay, or congratulations to her. Asengamhlophe. Okay. So, beletha means what? Give birth. So, beletha has got two meanings, but let's just concentrate on this one for now. okay, so that you're not maybe confused. So beletha means give birth. All right, so I'm going to give you more sentences, and I need you to try and get what these sentences mean, and you know, pause if you need to. All right, just so that you can guess before I tell you. All right, so the first question, sentence I have for you is this one. uNkosikazi Mpofu ubelethile. What are we saying there? uNkosikazi Mpofu ubelethile. It means Mrs. Mpofu gave birth. uNkosikazi means Mrs. Okay? What about Miss? So Miss is uNkosazana. All right? And Mr.? Mr. is umnumzana. All right. So uNkosikazi Mpofu ubelethile. Mrs. Mpofu gave birth. Right. And then the next one is a question that you would ask a woman who has a baby. All right. You are like, wabeletha nini? That is the question. Wabeletha nini? What does that mean? So it means, when did you give birth? All right. And here is an answer that she can give you. Ngabeletha ngoNhlolanja. Ngabeletha ngoNhlolanja. I gave birth in February. Okay. So I want you to notice something here. This lady has a baby, and we're probably talking to her in June. Okay. The baby is still young, but she gave birth in February. So it's been a few months. Okay. This is why you ask it like this. Wabeletha nini? Instead of ubelethe nini. All right. So in the chapter notes, I'm going to give you a link to a video where I explain this difference. Okay. There's a difference if you are talking about something that happened months back, like in this case, wabeletha nini, versus if this baby had been born, let's say 2 days back, your question would be ubelethe nini. All right. So I want you to watch that video. It's there on YouTube, and get the difference so that you know when to say wabeletha nini and when to say ubelethe nini. All right. So she said ngabeletha ngoNhlolanja. Then you also have a follow-up question, which is wabelethela ngaphi? What does that one mean? Wabelethela ngaphi? It means, where did you give birth from? Okay, wabelethela ngaphi. Ngaphi is where. And then she says, ngabelethela esibhedlela sempilo. What is she saying? Ngabelethela esibhedlela sempilo. She's saying, I gave birth at Mpilo Hospital. Okay. Great. I hope you followed through and got something, and yep, hope you followed through. So remember the 3 questions I spoke about at the beginning of the course that I asked you to continually affirm. Okay. So today I want you to do it a bit differently. First of all, how would you ask someone the question, can you speak Ndebele? You want to ask it as a question this time. Can you speak Ndebele? What's the question? Uyakhuluma isiNdebele? That's how you ask someone. Uyakhuluma isiNdebele? Okay? So how would you then ask, can you write in Ndebele? Do you know how to write in Ndebele? Uyakwazi ukubhala isiNdebele? Okay? Uyakwazi ukubhala isiNdebele? Can you read in Ndebele? Uyakwazi ukubala isiNdebele? That's how you ask the question. Okay? So ukubala, ukubhala, lokukhuluma. Those are the 3 things I aim to teach you in this entire course. And I hope that you're making progress even as we go from one lesson to the next. All right. So in today's homework, there's a part where there's a reading exercise. Okay. So what you do is you send me a voice note. where you'll be reading through these sentences. I want to hear your reading, okay? And then there's also going to be a part where you're writing something, right? So you'll find it obviously in the chapter notes, okay? So I'll see you in the next lesson. Usale kuhle.